Alright, chat your boy Market FX and we're here with our live, just live actually. See, I've not streamed for long. I see how fucked up I am right now. So I haven't streamed for long. I've not done anything. So today we're out here to teach you guys on how to professionally, smartly, properly, technically analyze your buyers. So if you know me by now, you know I trade only three currency pairs. So in those three currency pairs right now, I'm going to analyze it for you guys. So you guys see how I analyze, how I view the market in my own perspective. You understand? So you can know how I personally view market. So you should know how you're gonna view yours. So if I want to start with the market, I like to let's break this whole thing down for you guys. So if I want to start, I just like to go to my daily time frame first. So when I go down to my daily frame, you can see that EU is technically very bullish, as you can see right here. It's creating higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Now it have pulled back into the demand zone, the daily demand zone. So that what happened. That's the price started reacting from my say swept liquidity right here. After the break of structure. So then go out to our 4 hour time frame to make it clearer and better. So when we go to our 4 hour, it says more like exposed and widened. So our 4 hour time frame also want to look for me as you can see price has been creating break of structures all the way from this point of interest has been creating our break of structure to the upside. Let me push. So let's place higher high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. As one see too. Basically, it's not a lot of things going on here. This is really good. There's not a lot of things going on because market out structure is not really a very complicated thing like your mentors make it look like. So it's not really crazily something that is very crazy. So what can I say is like so I've did just explain this whole thing here, this whole jargon so you guys are seeing right now. So let me break it down. And so when back just stop liquidity right here. I say was the swing low and this was the swing guy I know we are playing into now. So let's begin swing low. So I can see where this low was strong enough to be able to take out close above this side, meaning that this zone and this was the demand zone that possibly price will pull out to continue to bullish momentum. What the price zone completely disregarded this one right here, then blast down all the way to the extreme demand zone. So when it came down to the extreme demand zone, you see it swept liquidity right here, right here, and the pullback was over. After the pullback was over, right here, the high I was able to take out this low, but take it close price closed above it, meaning that technically now we are bullish on Euro USD. So this becomes our break of structure right here. If you're looking at it in a wider range, you understand? You're looking at this in a wider range. This is it, but this internal ranges, you don't really concentrate on this when you're trying to get your buyers. So when you can see price, let's zoom in closer now. That's what price I've been doing since it has been bullish, creating high, high, lower high, higher high, creating a break of structure right here. So you can see how easily it is for me, 40 years old, to be able to read the charts like this. Take place of you, a grown ass person. Understand? Oh, my for. So you see, it's not really any big issues to do technical analysis right now. I was still better, but like it's basically it's nothing really crazy. So the serum price reacted to it, but was able to close. If you look at close above it. So probably coming at my respect this man zone. So I'm bullish on EU. EU as easy as can look. So I'm bullish on EU right now. I know it's looking as if it's bearish, but this is just if I said the high time frame pullback. Nothing much, nothing big, easy as fuck, nothing like ABC. No crazy technical analysis going on right here, just easy technical. So I feel like what I'm thinking is price actually going to come here after it took out this double bottom right here, come here and close. I'll wait for it to close above this. So basically, this is the swing game we are playing in right now, the 15 time frame. This swing low and the swing high and the swing low are playing in. So I'm expecting this swing guy to get traded. If it doesn't, the price continues to close below. Probably our bias can change, but this is it in the easy time frame. So let me go to GJ for you guys that trade GJ like me. So let's quickly do GJ real quick. Like I said, we go to our daily time frame. You wanna like max out. So say, ooh, even if you are blind or you are mentally not stable, you can see that GJ is very very bullish, which is actually this year is a possibility that price will come and feel these imbalances that are right here. Possibility, not ever certainty, just possibilities. So now I can see go down to our 4 hour time frame right here. I see price have been very bullish. It's even clearer on the 4 hour time frame. So after getting break of structure, higher high, sorry, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower low. Sorry, what the fuck am I saying? You guys are not distracting me. Higher high, lower high, higher high. That food back into this one right here. So if you look closely, so this was the 4 hour swing I was we were playing in this high and this low of this swing. You can see price. If you look closely, very very close, you can see that this low was swept like here. So meaning that I was playing in between this range. So let's go. So I'm so this trade I wish I wanted to take, but I not take it because I didn't want to break my system, my plan. So if you look closely, after price did this, it's very bullish. You can see a lot of bullish aggression that was in the market right here. So if you can also look close, you can see after this is swing we are playing on the swing high. It's actually kind of choppy if you look in a way, but like most times you just try to just do it. I bet free me away. All right, that it's actually choppy, so I'm waiting for it to break above this high. Well, but if you can look very closely, GJ is choppy. You can see it's consolidating up, down. Not really any confirmation from, or not really any overwhelming liquidity from buyers or sellers to push price above or lower. So let's go to our gold. Gold is as easy. I think this is really not to waste time because this thing is just basically something you just I know a lot of traders don't understand by now. Gold is very very bullish, very bullish, very bullish. As you can see right now, if you took out this swing high right now, if you should look at it in our far time frame, if you look at this structure from here to here, actually this is our swing low right and this will be our swing high. Then if you look at the internal part of it, you can see break of structure right here. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Price have come down. So this is basically the swing which we're playing in right now. You see, price was not able this week was not able to close below this to show you that there's still a lot of bullish momentum in the market. So when price did, you can come here down to this after creating this imbalance right here. I'm very confident that price eventually going to come and feel this imbalances right here. So I want but another confirmation I would like to see is to see this high price close above this high right here. Than the way he reacted to this supply right here. But I'm pretty much more confident I go to and if it closes above this high and pull back to this demand. Possibility that price will turn very strongly bullish on the pair. So that basically is I don't think there's any problem to anybody marking 2026. Well let us so I'm gonna just do it a way better way for you guys. So let me just quickly round up the whole talk that I just said now. If you zoom out, you can see that price is always try to like zoom out and see what the price is doing if you zoom out. So the price if you zoom out, you can see that it has been very crazy bullish. High. Good has been buying, good has been buying. So what makes you think you to stop buying and start selling to your village? So of course you have to continue buying from now on. So that is why just continue the trend. Don't try to counter trend unless there's a proven or is a you're very sure on a certain time that there will be liquidity poured into the chart. That's why you can look for counter trend. So that's basically it. Nothing much, nothing too crazy. I didn't even expect this video to be this long. I expect it to be really short up. Nothing too crazy, nothing too obsessed about. So that video, if you like this kind of videos, I know some people don't really educated. I don't really know how to teach that much. I'm better at teaching psychology than technical. So this is basically what I have to teach you guys today. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe, and follow up. Let's go.